Hello, welcome to my Lab 6 digital analog converters. So I'm going to start off with my servo motor. Now it actually says here to start with the Arduino unplugged, so Arduino is unplugged. I am plugging it in now. The light just turned on. This is my code right here. This is the main part that does the logic. So we're gonna upload that, and then try to do this with one hand. I can plug this in here. And there we go. So now we have this. So I'm going to try to hold my camera with, oh, this is awkward. I'm going to just hold that, and this is the knob right here. But as you can see, when I turn this, it makes the servo turn 180 degrees. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, the next section is my DAC theory. So I got this right here. I actually made a table for the 3-bit inputs, and the least significant bit is bit C in this. And changing that by 1 will change the V out by 0.625. So there's my little talk on the theory behind the DAC. Now I'm going to go to Circuit Lab, and I'm going to show you these two cases. So, well, first let me show you when everything's plugged in. And we simulate it. Run DC Solver. There, we've got V equals 4.375, which is what we want. And here's another. We're going to have the binary be 100, so only the first one is going to be on. And according to the table, 100 should be 2.5 volts. Oh. There we go, 2.5 volts. And you know, let's also show 110, which we can turn that on. 110 is 3.75. When you simulate that and run the solver, 3.75 on the dot. Now, I also created that circuit with all of these resistors here. So I can plug that in. And it's still running, so it should be on here. Now, right now, it is in the 101 configuration, or there. The wiring is a little complicated, so it's a bit hard to see sometimes. So yeah, it's 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it should be 3.125, but it ends up being 3 volts, so slightly different. And here's another one. This one is 011, so it should be 1.875, and it ends up at 2 volts. So there are a few differences between the digital and the theory and the one I made. I think that's because, there's some internal resistances in the battery and things like that. Plus, the wiring is pretty complicated, so if something got messed up, some short circuit happened, it would be pretty hard to see. But the last thing I want to show you, I know I'm a little short on time, but as I change my DAC, it's changing my there we go. You can see that pretty clearly, I think. So yeah, that is my lab. Thanks. See ya.